Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you what I'm doing for my student project for the class 196. My plan is building traffic light uh, with the base over here. Actually this is one part, but I call it this is the base one and this the body one. Um, and I will make a long arm for the lights, and on top of this one I'm gonna make a something for decoration, like spinning, like something spinning. And for this part I used Knowledgeware to make it more convenient in case I need to adjust the dimension. For example, like now the height is 96 inch, I can change it to 48 inch. Or the base thickness I can change from 2 inch to 5 inch. And all other related dimension I already set up the formula. For example, the whole the edge distance for this house I can change from 1 inch to 2 inch. It is automatic, like go inside, and even the spacing between holes I already set up the relation, the formula, so everything can be moved automatically. That that's a very like amazing and useful mm, functions of the Knowledgeware, which I really like it for this class. And for this part, I already picked up the materials for. Uh, I pick up the material, the plain carbon steel for the stress analysis in the next video. Um, it's kind of simple for this one, but I'm trying to create something else in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.